Today's video is going to be short and simple. We're modeling the pin and spring of our set. Stay tuned if you have any doubts about the tools. In case that happens, leave a comment below with your question, and we'll get right back to you. We're always happy to help here. We'll start by opening a new part, selecting the plane we'll be working on, the XY frontal plane. Select the Arc Circle tool and draw a circle with a radius of 6 millimeters. But how do I input the radius value? Hey, it's very simple. Just press the letter D before the measure and after the desired diameter. But pay attention. If you input the measure without the D, the measure will consider a permanent radius. Now we're moving on to the extrusion. It'll be an extrusion of 21 millimeters using the Extrude tool. Perfect! We'll then add 2 roundings so we don't have sharp corners. They'll have a radius of 0.5 millimeters. Change the material to carbon steel, and the pin is ready to go. Moving right along, now that we've finished our pin, we're moving on to our spring. Our spring might be a little different than what you're used to, but there are many kinds of springs, and each has a different use. We'll start, as usual, by opening a new part. This time, we'll select the YZ work plan to see our part from the side view. Select the Line tool, and we're going to start the geometry with a length of 53 millimeters. Now that we have our line, we'll use the Arc Circle tool and habilitate the relative point command to reference the circle, which will have a radius of 6 millimeters. We'll then select the Line tool again. Still, we'll habilitate the From Tangent option and select the circle we just drew, so the line has its tangent as a reference. It'll have an angle of 220 degrees and a length of 9 millimeters. As our first outline is made, we'll select the Line Partial Erase tool, and we'll erase that part of the circle that doesn't belong to the geometry. Then we're going to close the ends so that we can extrude our part. Habilitate Extrude and select the Enable Direction to option. Input a distance of 6 millimeters on both fields, then apply it and finish the operation. Moving on to the hole, select the face and habilitate the Arc Circle tool. Habilitate the Relative Point option and add the circle's coordination. We'll extrude it, removing part of the material, and that's it. We have our hole. Change the material to alloy steel and our spring is ready. Hey, did you enjoy this video? Like it and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Well, guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.